7777. If you read this, an explosion of success is right around the corner, and endless amount of financial abundance and love is coming your way. Type 7777 if you believe this. Source is saying to you today, you are getting stronger mentally, physically, and spiritually every single day. There is no obstacle you cannot overcome. You made it through very difficult times. In the face of all your fears, you rose to the challenge. Instead of quitting, you buckled down and did what it took to become great. Like a phoenix, you rose from the ashes and became a better version of yourself. Let go of the past and to the future. Be the best you can possibly be today. Type Amen to claim it, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you.